Texas is vulnerable to climate change because they are often prone to droughts, so as climate changes and it gets hotter, the drought should become more severe. Also, because Texas often gets extreme weather that follows hurricanes, as hurricane intensity increases, so will the weather that follows. Extreme weather in Texas could be droughts, increased precipitation, flooding, and even hurricanes that come in from the Gulf of Mexico. These increased extreme weather events could cause severe impact on the surrounding communities. Droughts can have detrimental impacts on agriculture, which can decrease the amount of food for consumption and can increase the chances for wildfires and can also shrink aquifers. Flooding and/or hurricanes can cause severe damage on properties and can also cause people to evacuate. Extreme flooding and storms can also cause damage to land as well as including farms and forests, hurting wildlife and ecosystems as well. In order to decrease these extreme weather events, action will need to be taken immediately in order to try and slow and reduce climate change.